Hi guys, I just wanted to show you what you're doing for your volume formulas project. The goal of this is that you can know, demonstrate, and use volume formulas for prisms, pyramids, cylinders, cones, and spheres. These are all solid objects. You'll see that you'll find this volume formulas project on the web page. And it's down here at the bottom as the PDF attachment. You'll also see an example uploaded, and this example I'm about to demonstrate. So what you want to do is three things, okay? You will be graded on this on the 1, 2, 3, 4 scale that you're used to, with 3 being proficient, 2 being approaching, 1 being not yet met standard. And the first thing you need to do is you're going to create 10 objects. And for each of these objects, you're going to do these 3 things. Your 10 objects are 3 prisms, 3 pyramids, a cube, a cylinder, a cone, and a sphere. Now, the goal is for everyone's project to be unique. And the way that we are doing that is we are going ahead and you will use your birthday to choose what the volume of all your objects will be. For instance, if your birthday was February 6th, all your objects would need to have a volume of 26 meters cubed. My birthday is November 19th, so that's the number that I'm going to use for my demonstration. I'm going to use 1,119. That would be 1119 for November 19th. And then I'm going to name it. I'm going to show all relevant 2D dimensions. I'm going to show the area of the base. And I'm going to use my volume formula calculation and values. So I'm going to go ahead and get SketchUp started. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to open a note. Open a new note. Let's go ahead. And the idea here is that you want to learn the formulas for volume. And I'm going to do a pyramid first. And I know that the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay? And so I need mine to be 1119 because my birthday is November 19th or 11/19. Okay? So 1119. Now I need to decide on what numbers do I want to choose. I can pick anything I want, but I'm going to want to choose easy numbers. So I might use Google to help me. So if I type in to Google, I might want to say factors of 1119. And Google, guess what? Let's see, do I have, here we go. Here are some factors of 1119. You can see those right here. Okay, so maybe I should use some numbers 3 and 373. You don't have to, but that might be a nice thing to do. So I might say, this is equal to 1/3 of 9 gives me 3 times 373. So maybe I want to use the area of the base, which is B, to be 373, and a height of H equals 9 meters. This can be meters squared. Okay. Now I'm ready for SketchUp. I know my dimensions. Okay. One thing I might want to do is decide on if I know the area of the base, let's say I want to use a square. Maybe I wanted to use a triangle, or I could use a pentagon. But I'm just going to do a square for now. So I might want to say that this would be, for this formula, I might say volume is equal to 1/3 base, but that was going to be the 373. So I'm going to say square root of 373, right? But we want that squared. Why? Because that is a base, right? So this is meters, okay, times my height, which is 9 meters, okay? Now, I chose these numbers because they match my birthday. You're going to choose different numbers. For instance, if your birthday is February 6th, you would use 26. If your birthday is October 3rd, you would use 103 for 10-3. Okay? Now I'm ready to go into SketchUp. Okay? I need a template that is sample template meters. I'm going to start using SketchUp. And I need my tool palette, large tool set. And let's go ahead and make sure that you can see everything I'm doing. So I'm going to try to fit everything in this window here. All right. And here we go. Now I want to have a square base. So I see that it's a square here. And let's give resizing so that you can see it. There we go. Let's pull this down a little bit. Okay, you can see that it gave dimensions here. It is very important that I put in my dimensions now, because if I don't, I'm going to have to come all the way back to this step to put in my dimensions. I want 19.31 meters and 19.31 meters. Why did I choose 19.31? Because I know that the square root of 373 is equal to 19.31 meters. I had square root of 373. This square, not that square, undo, Control Z. This square has an area of 1119. I can go ahead and measure that. That might be a good thing to show you, right? If I do the whole side, not the midpoint, the whole side, I can drag that out. That is not correct. So I'm going to undo. Right? Get the square, and I type in 1931 meters by 1931 meters. Boom! But I cannot see all of it. So let's go ahead and use my hand to move over and move my... I can use 2 fingers on my trackpad to zoom out. Now, I'm doing a pyramid, so I need to decide where the center of this is. Because once I have a center, I can pull that center up with my move tool. Boom! And I wanted that to be 9 meters. Why 9 meters? Because I want my total area to be 1119, my birthday. Now, I could be 20. Wow, too much. It could be 3, but I wanted 9 so that I get my birthday as the volume. Now, I've already showed, I haven't. I can go ahead and show the dimensions. And to get the dimension of the height, very interesting, because I need the center of the bottom, the area of the bottom, to the top point. So what do I need to do? I need to orbit my figure to look at the bottom. And then I need to go ahead and redraw find the center of the bottom, because that center got pulled up to the top before. So there's the center of my bottom. Now I'm gonna click on my dimension tool, and I'm gonna go from the center of the bottom, then I need to orbit while I don't click anything else. And now I go back to dimension, and it's ready for me to say I'm going from that bottom point to this top point, and I drag out, and boom, there's my 9. One last thing, 2 more things. I need to make this a component. I have everything I want. So what do? I grab my selection arrow, I highlight everything. I right click, control click. I make a component. And this component is going to need to be called square, pyramid, whatever your figure is called. Please use the mathematical term from your textbook. In English, create. Wow. Now it is locked to be this way so that I can move this around as one component. And I want to take my text tool, and I need to go ahead and name it. It's a square pyramid. It has an area of, I need to say the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 base times height. I need to say this means that it's 1/3. Please, you need to put in this step. What was the base? The area of the base was 373 meters squared times the height, 9 meters. Which makes the area 1119 meters cubed. And what I wanted you to do last is remember, why did I choose 1119? Because my birthday is November 19th, or 1119, 1119. Okay, this is all the information I need you to show for all 10 of your figures. You need to create them. If you are unsure how to create a figure, type into YouTube how to create or how to construct a cone in SketchUp, or how to construct a sphere in SketchUp, or how to construct a cylinder in SketchUp. Please be resourceful. Check out YouTube, watch some videos. If you're still unsure, come to me, show me the video, and I can help you with certain steps. All right, enjoy. Good luck.